Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. How do you know you have a bad crankshaft pulley, harmonic balancer, or vibration damper? This is a crankshaft pulley, also known as the harmonic balancer, and it is located right on the front end of the crankshaft. So once the crankshaft bolt is removed, the crankshaft pulley is going to slip over it, and for some crankshaft, there is going to be a key right there, or a key slot, and that is where the crankshaft is going to slip into. Let's learn a little bit about the crankshaft pulley. So this part here is going to be the inertia ring, and this part here is going to be the rubber ring. And together, the inertia ring and the rubber ring help reduce vibration and the twisting action from the crankshaft. Let's continue. This part here is going to be the post ring or tone ring, and this part here, it is going to be the pulley. So as you can see, for every single vehicle, the design is very similar. This one here, it is missing the inertia ring because it fell off, and there is no rubber ring on it because it is gone. How do you know the crankshaft pulley or harmonic balancer is failing? And the first sign that it is time to replace it is going to be vibration. If you're feeling vibration coming from the engine at all speed, it could be a sign that the rubber ring is starting to deteriorate, and it is going to cause the outer part of the pulley to separate from the crankshaft pulley. So make sure to replace that crankshaft pulley, because if you don't, and this part here, the inertia ring, falls out or the pulley falls out, it can cause your serpentine belt or drive belt to slip right out. And when the serpentine belt slip off, it is going to cause all sorts of issues. None of your accessories is going to work. For example, the alternator pulley is not going to spin. It is going to trigger the battery light. The power steering pump is not going to work because, again, you have no power assist due to a missing serpentine belt. Your AC compressor is not going to work, and so on. How do you know your crankshaft pulley or harmonic balancer is missing? And the answer is going to be a very loud banging noise, or loud clunking noise, or a loud knocking noise. So when this part here is separated from the pulley caused by a bad rubber ring, this part here, it is so heavy, and of course it is made of metal, it's going to knock somewhere on the engine and it's going to fall right out, again making that loud banging noise. So if you're driving and you suddenly hear that noise and your battery light turn on and your accessories are not working, that's how you know your harmonic balancer is missing. It is important to replace the crankshaft pulley or harmonic balancer when it is failing and it is causing intense vibration, because if you don't replace it, that intense vibration can cause the crankshaft to become unbalanced, and it can cause a lot of damage to your engine bearing, such as the main bearing and the connecting rod bearings and so on. So make sure to replace that crankshaft pulley once you notice vibration. For some vehicles, the crankshaft pulley, it is going to have a tone ring on it. If you ever wonder what that tone ring is for, it is going to be part of timing. So the crankshaft sensor is going to be located right next to it. And when the crankshaft pulley is spinning, it is going to send signal to the ECM when to tell the fuel injector and the ignition coil to fire. So when the crankshaft pulley start to go bad and it start to separate and it falls apart, this part here can actually fall out too. So if that part fall out, there's going to be no signal, and this can cause your vehicle to stall when driving, and it will also cause a no start. It is also important to put the crankshaft pulley back in the same spot. That is why I have this part here marked over here, and I have this part marked over here. This is going to be for some vehicle, not for all vehicles. So again, it is part of timing, and it must go back in the same spot. If you look at the tone ring, you can see there is a big gap right here compared to the other part of the teeth. So again, it is important to put that crankshaft pulley back in the same spot. I hope you found that video useful. As always, thank you for watching, and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.